Hi, this is Matt on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to learn how to make steak with spicy stuffed potato and collard greens with vinaigrette sauce. Okay, so now that we've actually gutted our potatoes, we have them and gutted them, and now we're left with these shells. We're going to take this mixture of garbanzo beans and the actual flesh of the potatoes, and we're going to season it. We're going to add a tablespoon of coriander, ground coriander, and then we're going to add another tablespoon of ground cumin, and we're going to mash the potatoes and the garbanzo bean mixture together just to get it nice and smooth. Okay, that's pretty mashed together, actually. I don't think we can get any more mashed than that. Okay. Now we'll worry about our next step.